My name is Edna and I'm from the Science Centre Singapore. Welcome to another episode of Science What? Today, I'm going to talk about parachutes. Parachute is usually a soft fabric device used to slow down the descent of a person or object through the atmosphere by creating drag. As gravity pulls a person or an object down towards the ground, the parachute opens to trap air inside its canopy. This creates air resistance, which slows down the descent. Now, do you know who came up with the idea of a parachute? More than 500 years ago, Leonardo da Vinci drew this drawing on his notebook called Codex Atlanticus and said that if anyone is to jump from a height with this, no one will be hurt. His drawing probably gave us the inspiration to design a parachute. In 1783, a Frenchman by the name of Louis-Sébastien Lenormand fashioned a kind of parachute using two umbrellas. But it was Jacques Garnerin who was the first to design and test parachutes capable of slowing a man's fall from a high altitude. In 2000, a British professional skydiver by the name of Adrian Nicholas decided to test Leonardo da Vinci's parachute out as no one has tried it before. He built the exact model based on Da Vinci's design and launched it at a height of 3,000 meters with the help of a hot air balloon, and it actually worked. What a genius Leonardo da Vinci was! He designed a parachute without even testing it. In fact, it worked so well that Adrian Nicholas mentioned that the ride was much smoother than any of our modern-day parachutes. Now, would you like to create your own parachute at home? Today, I'm going to show you how to create one and have fun with it. And that's how you make science come alive. To learn more about Leonardo da Vinci's inventions, do visit Da Vinci, the exhibition happening at Science Centre Singapore till 2nd January 2022. If you have enjoyed our video, don't forget to like and share with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon down below to be the first to watch our new videos. I'm Edna, and remember to keep asking science what? Bye!